Sleeping on the cold, rocky ground is a quick way to ruin any outdoor trip. Let us be real. A good camping cot transforms a weekend into a proper recharge. Today, I am counting down 5 top camping cots that cover ultralight backpacking, rugged car camping, and comfy guest beds. Some are featherweight and compact. Others are heavy-duty and flush. Pick what fits your trip, budget, and sleep style. You will thank yourself. First up is the MARCHWAY Ultralight Folding Cot. If every single ounce in your pack matters, this one is your new best friend. Weighing in at a crazy light 4.8 pounds and packing down smaller than a sleeping bag, this is the Ferrari of backpacking cots. It uses a tent pole style shock cord system for assembly that's honestly a breeze. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame and ripstop nylon fabric can handle up to 275 pounds. The surface is flat without any sag, and it has these cool anti-skid feet to keep it stable. The only downside is it sits a bit lower to the ground. But for the ultralight enthusiast or the mountaineer who needs to save space, this cot is an absolute no-brainer. At number 2, we have the feature-packed ONETIGRIS SUPRANUBIS. This cot is a total game changer for comfort and versatility. Its standout feature? Height-adjustable legs. You can set it at a low 5.9 inches for solid ground or a high 15.75 inches to get some serious elevation off damp grass, or to use it as a seating bench. Built with heavy-duty 300D Oxford fabric and a robust 70-75 aluminum frame, it supports a solid 330 pounds. Plus, it has a handy side pocket through your phone and a storage net underneath for gear. At 9.5 pounds, it's not the lightest, but for car campers, festival goers, or anyone who wants extra storage and height options, this cot shines. Moving on to number 3, the ABORON Folding Cot with mat, and this one is all about comfort and sheer strength. The first thing you'll notice is the attached detachable foam pad. That's right, no need for a separate sleeping pad. This thing is built like a tank, with a double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric and a steel frame that can support an incredible 900 pounds. The best part? It requires zero assembly. You literally just unfold it and it's ready to go. The trade-off for this instant comfort and durability is weight. It's 18.5 pounds. So this is the perfect cot for drive-in campsites, hosting guests at home, or for anyone who wants a truly ready-to-use heavy-duty bed. Our number 4 pick, the Mojest Ultralight Cot, is a masterclass in smart design. It finds a sweet spot between the Featherlight MARCHWAY and the feature-rich ONETIGRIS. Weighing just 5.3 pounds, it's incredibly portable, but its killer feature is the super quick lever handle setup. You just position the rods and press down, it locks into place in under a minute. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, it holds 330 pounds and has a dual tube design to prevent sagging. It also includes a built-in pillow pocket and a side pocket for small essentials. For the backpacker who wants a slightly faster setup and a firmer sleep surface, the Mojest is definitely worth a long and hard look. And finally, at number 5, the Sportneer Camping Cot with Mattress. This is the ultimate all-rounder for comfort and convenience. Think of it as the luxury SUV of camping cots. It comes with a comfortable attached mattress pad and not one, but 2 massive side pockets to keep all your gear organized. Just like the ABORON, it's a no-assembly, instant unfold design, making setup a total breeze. The 300D Oxford fabric and sturdy steel frame support up to 450 pounds. It is on the heavier side, but for car camping, beach trip, or as a perfect guest bed at home, the Sportneer delivers unmatched value and comfort right out of the box. This is the one I'd recommend to most people for a guaranteed great sleep. So, to quickly recap, for the ultralight purist, the MARCHWAY is a dream. For adjustable height and smart storage, go for the ONETIGRIS. If you need maximum weight capacity and instant comfort, the ABORON has you covered. The Mojest is your best bet for a quick, lightweight setup. And for the ultimate all-in-one comfort package, the Sportneer takes the crown. No matter which one you choose, getting a camping cot will revolutionize your time outdoors. Trust me, once you sleep elevated and comfortable, you will never, ever go back to the hard ground.